Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful scarf pattern. I think you can see that pattern as coal, and you see this pattern's version with turning, circle crocheting, and so you learn from them only double folded, but this is only one line and only one row repeating. It's so simple. I use a little thick yarn. It looks like that. Maybe after ironing it will be looking more good. Both sides as same. It's only one row repeating. You can see its turning points. I love that pattern. Maybe we will make a call again if you want. It's so simple and so fast. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful shawl pattern. Let's start to crochet. I will use in my shawl pattern Luna altın ilmek. It's 98% of premium acrylic, 2% of polyester. One ball is 100 grams and it's equal to 200 meters. Its size category is 2, and they recommend us using 5mm hook. Also I use here 5, maybe 6 will be more better. I'm not sure for that. Okay, you can adapt it which you want to use that. I made a sample, I said that, so you can adapt your shawl or scarf nearly 2 meters length. You will repeat that one row. When you have you will repeat that until you have 2 meters length. You will make your width start your chains. Okay, I will tell in the video. For this pattern we need multiples of 8 plus 3. First of all, make a slip knot. Then I want to make a sample, so I will make 40 chains plus 3, so totally 43 chains. But you will make your chains which width you want to your scarf. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will add 8 per 8 for every white point. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I made 43 chains, 44 multiples of 8, 3, 4 plus. Okay, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, count my first double, this is the second. Totally I will make 5 double crochet. Insert into the next, grab my yarn, pull through 2, 3, next one 4, next one 5. Chain 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, and start to make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, skip 3, start from the fourth one, make 5 double. First row like that. Actually all the rows like that, but we made a little difference next rows. 4, 5, 5 double, chain 3, skip 3, insert into the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one, 1 2 3 4 5, chain 3, yarn over, skip 1 2 3, and finish your row with double crochet. Chain 1 and cut my yarn. And turn my work. Okay, I will start from this chain 3 space. Then take my second color. Again make a slip knot, and again make how did you make in the first row of chains. I made 43. You will make your chains which chains you made. So I will make my 43 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6. I made my 43 chains. Okay, you will make which you made on the first row. Always same chains you will make. Yarn over, skip again 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one. Then take your other piece, not the first one, insert your hook, second stitch, grab your yarn, pull through to pull through to. Show you one more time. Yarn over, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one. Then take your piece, not the first one, insert into the second stitch, grab your yarn and make your second double crochet. Second double crochet is our joining point. Then leave that piece, take your chains, then next stitch 3 4 and 5, chain 3. Now you will make this, lose your loop and insert your chains. First chain 3 space, take it to the back side, then next space take it to the front side, next space take your chains back side, next space take your chains front side, back side, and leave it here. Take my loop, yarn over, and I need skip 3, 1 2 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, my chains back side, 1, next one 2, next one 3, next one 4, next one 5, 1 2 3. This time my chains come to the front side, so yarn over, and here is the last stitch, skip 1 2 3, insert into the fourth one and make your 5 double. Always 5 double, chain 3, skip 3, but you will change your chains back to front. 1 2 3 4 and 5. This is front. Now I will make this back side. 1 2 3, yarn over and make your control, skip 1 2 3, start from the fourth one, make your 5 double, 1 2 3 4 5, chain 3, this is back side, yarn over, come to front, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, make your 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, this is front. Now my chains come to the back side, yarn over and join here, insert your hook last stitch, first rows, previous rows, and your last chain. Make your last double together. Always finish your row with 1 double. Always start your row with 5 double. Chain 1 and cut your yarn. Here. Always when you finish, turn your work and you will start chain 3 space. Now I will take my third color. Again, make a slip knot, and again I made here start with 43 chains, so I will make 43, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made my 43 chains, again yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3, insert into the fourth one, and take my other part of my shawl, not insert the first one, insert into the second, and make the second double joining point. Grab my yarn, pull through to, pull through to. Then leave that part and work with these chains, 3, 4, and 5. I want to show you one more way. Which one is coming easy to you, you can use it. Chain 3, yarn over, I start here and insert my chains front to back here. Yarn over and skip 3, count. Now this is the last doubles place, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one and start to make my 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's coming more easier to me because first I crochet, then I transport my chains. After this is back side, I take my chains to the front side and make my 3 chain, yarn over, and look at here. This is last doubles place, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, make here 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, yarn over, this is front, then I transport my chains front to the back side. One, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, transport it back to front here, yarn over, this is last double stitch, 1, 2, 3, skip, insert into the fourth one, make your 5 double, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 3, This is front to back, yarn over, skip, this is last doubles, 1 2 3, this is the last stitch, and hold it, finish with joining, insert the last stitch and insert the last chain and make your last double crochet, chain 1 and cut your yarn. The bad thing is this scarf, you will always need to cut your yarn. Now we finish and we will start, turn our work and take my first color again and do the same thing. Make my 43 chains, then skip 3, start from the fourth one and join to the from second stitch and make my 5 double, then transport my chains front to back and skip 3, make my 5, then back to front, make my 5, chain 3, skip 3, front to back, back to front here, then front to back, and don't forget you will join on the last chain. From starting point you will join them on the second stitch I told you. When you finish the row you will join it from the last stitch. Always make your chains which chains you start, always make it. I will grow it a little. I complete and turn to you. I made it a little big. You will keep repeat that one row which length you want. If you want to use a big scarf you will need nearly 2 meters. You can turn all around your scarf with border, or it's so gorgeous. I think you can use it like that. Which size you want, you will repeat that one row. If you use as a scarf you need nearly 2 meters, and white is mine 25 centimeter, nearly 40 centimeter is enough for you if you use as a scarf. Thanks for your time and watching this video. If you have any questions please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.